Hello guys, welcome to the KardiaChain Archi Tesnet 2 smart contract video guide. Today I will show you how to deploy and interact with smart contracts on our testnet. And as an example, I will use a smart contract to create a poll. So let's say you want to create a poll with various options for your users to vote on. I will show you how to deploy such a smart contract on our testnet. First, you need to make sure that you have enough Kai tokens by getting some free Kai tokens from our faucet. So let's head towards the smart contract section in the upper right hand corner. This window is where you paste your source code. I already have my source code copied on the clipboard, so I will go ahead and paste the code. As you can see, the code was written with Solidity version 0.5.8. So let's go ahead and make sure we select the version drop down menu. Now let's compile the code by clicking the compile button. Now that the code is compiled, we shall deploy the smart contract onto blockchain by clicking deploy. The smart contract has been successfully deployed, so we need to make sure that we save the JSON file, which contains all the smart contract information we need to interact with our smart contract. Let's head over to Interact with Smart Contract tab. Click on Upload JSON file and then click Next. Now that we have selected our smart contract, we can go ahead and interact with our smart contract. So let's say we want to create a poll for our users to vote for the best motorbike brand. Let's go ahead and add the first option by selecting the addOption function. I'm going to add Ducati as our first option. And I'm going to go ahead and add 3 more motorbike brands. Okay, that's 4 options, and now we can go ahead and check all the available options in our poll using the viewProposition function. The first option was Ducati, second was ODM, third was BMW, and fourth was Kawasaki. So let's go ahead and cast a vote for our favorite motorcycle brand by selecting the doVote function. And we shall vote for BMW because everyone loves BMW, so I will input number 2 as the choice option for BMW. Now we can go ahead and check if our vote was successful. We will select voteCount function. I will input number 2 because it was the third option that we added, and as you can see, we have 1 vote for BMW. We can go ahead and check other options. Look at 0, KTM has 0, BMW has 1, Kawasaki has 0. So that's it for our video tutorial. Thank you for watching, and make sure to follow us on social media.